Ready, set, go. 30 seconds.
That's right. Sorry, pal.
Base race qualifying rounds brought to you by Dashboard by Barles, Lane 1, Tom Tucker, qualifying, Lane 2, Jimmy, qualifying,
In 5,
stand by.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Go, 30 seconds.
Timmy was eager to do that all day long.
You got a 107 on the windshield on that. Put it back there. Put it back there. Does it want to register?
I got a chain.
I got loads on the way for it. I know. Next time, man, next time. Look at my ears not still hurt. Here we go. Right. No, I think it just motivated me. I know what I need. That's the perfect one with some little smart asses behind you in traffic and goes, oh my god. Shit, dude. I mean, you can teach everyone in Super Bowls a lesson. Freaking slow down until they ride your ass and then just hit it. Alright, how much did that setup cost you?
Nothing, I had all the shit. I work on semis.
Oh, okay. Well, how much would it cost if I had to pay for it?
I don't know, I suppose between the triple horns, because there's 6 of them underneath there.
Yeah.
The triple horns are like, I think they're 200, 300 a set, and then I just got a Peterbilt tank in the trunk. I have no compressor or nothing on it. I just got a valve and just fill it up with gas.
Hey, you know Jack Miller?
Yeah, you must be the one you were talking about.
I heard that you know how to do investor.
Hey, you don't have an alarm that hits that. All right. You always have to ask.
Welcome to the BB Park.